Happy Sunday. I have my new camera, y'all. Can y'all tell? Do y'all like the quality? Today is Sunday, March 16. Guess what? My birthday tomorrow. Oh, wow. Chloe just reminded me. It's VZ Day. Continue to rest in peace, VZ. Oh my gosh. I completely forgot about that. Now that I got that out the way, my birthday tomorrow. I've already recorded the beginning part of 2 TikToks. Y'all, I love a TikTok trend. So the latest trend, I just been wanting to be a part of it so bad. I want to do it. And it's the GWURL, what is it called? Y'all know it. I can't think of the name of it right now, but y'all know it's the middle finger to my haters. Are you bitch jealous? You know the rest. If you familiar with TikTok, you know. So I've just been wanting to do it, y'all. Not for no specific reason. I just been wanting to do it. I just filmed the beginning, 2 different beginnings. It's like a transition. So I started like this. And then once I get dressed, okay, I'm going ahead of myself. Y'all know today is my birthday dinner at Bungalow. It's at 5:00 p.m. and I'm starting now. I'm actually getting ready to do my makeup because I'm filming a Get Ready With Me for you all. And I want y'all to see my makeup plus my outfit. You know, y'all know the vibes. I just remembered, I'm like, oh my goodness, I didn't even pick up the camera to vlog to let y'all see the behind the scenes. I don't know how y'all are, but if y'all are anything like me, let me raise this up a little bit. Oh, y'all, it's bright. Baby, I got 3 lights working right now. So if you're anything like me, then you love behind the scenes. I love to see how videos come together. I love to see the preparation and just everything about it. That's why I've just been loving all the different behind the scenes TikToks on Kendrick's halftime show, which, y'all, I still watch that. I've been seeing the behind the scenes on how they put that whole halftime performance together, and I just love it. So because I love it, I want y'all to see the behind the scenes of me filming my Get Ready With Me filming my TikToks, you know, just all the good stuff. Today, I promised myself I'm going to vlog this day because last year I vlogged my birthday. The year before I didn't. When we went to the Warwick, I did not vlog, and I kind of was upset with myself for not vlogging. But this year, I'm going to give y'all all as much as I can, you know, like picking up the camera. I want to be in the moment at the same time. But, you know, it's kind of hard to be in the moment and film because you're trying to capture all the content, you know. So anyway, I'm filming in my dining room area. This is the area right here. If you've watched all of y'all, don't mind them papers right there. If you've watched any of my videos, you always see this background right here. This is where I film all of my Get Ready With Me TikToks. This is just my background right here. I'm very limited, so you have to work with what you have. And this is what I have. So now I'm about to start filming my beginning part of my Get Ready With Me before I make my transformation. Right now, while I'm still looking like this, got my bonnet on, still in my clothes, you know, breasts sagging, all that good stuff, because we real over here. Sis is turning 49 tomorrow. So yeah, you know, Chloe feel like I just tell too much, but they sag. I'm just saying. I mean, it's real. It's real. Okay. So anyway, I'm about to film just the beginning part. I'm trying to think in my head what I could do, but y'all see. Just watch. Okay, y'all, I have to make a quick phone switch because I was filming on my main phone. And I just realized I'm going to need that phone. And whenever you're filming a Get Ready With Me, it's very important that once you set up your tripod and your phone in one particular position, that you don't move it, especially if you're trying to continue on and do transitions. It just won't look good. It won't look the same, and it won't be seamless, you know, like flowing seamlessly. So I'm about to switch out. This is my old phone, so I could record on this one for the Get Ready With Me. And I could just, you know, transfer everything over. So let me make my phone switch. Okay, I did like this because I'm going to put the words Get Ready With Me birthday edition at the bottom. I'm still doing the get ready with me, but I'll at least have on my outfit, and everything else won't be done. I won't have on my accessories or my shoes or anything like that. So you will still see me get ready, but not like as in putting everything on. And I don't think I'm not gonna put stuff on. Well, I may start, yeah, because I'm wearing, let me just tell y'all what I'm wearing. Actually, I could show you because this will come out afterwards. So let me just show you. Y'all, I can show y'all this because I have it sitting right there already. Y'all know my birthday is St. Patrick's Day. Usually I am full out on the green theme, green and white, green or white, something like that. But this year I decided to go with classic black. I'm popping my green with this. This is my clutch. These are my shoes that I'm wearing. If you have not watched my Get to Know Me video, you need to watch it because in that video, I tell y'all all about the leopard. So if you haven't watched it, make sure you watch it. Now, these are my pantyhose. I'm wearing pantyhose because I'm wearing shorts. It's kind of cool right now. And honestly, whether it's cool or not, I'm wearing them because this is part of the outfit. So I'm wearing some sheer black pantyhose. This is my top. It's a lace see-through top. Actually, bodysuit. It's a lace see-through bodysuit, short sleeve. Super cute. And then these are my shorts. They some short shorts, y'all. I'm turning 49, but hey, that's another video that's coming up because you know what? People feel like because you are over 40 that you can't wear certain things. So yeah, I got a video coming up talking about that too because truth is, you can wear whatever you want. It just depends on how you wear it. And I shouldn't say it depends on how you wear it. It's all about your style and the way you wear it. That's how I feel. That's my fashion view on that. But because the sis is over 40, and this the real reason. My thighs, the back, and the front, just not like how it used to be. My genetics, I don't have that smooth skin, baby, cellulite, dents, all that. So even though you can still kind of see them through this, I feel more comfortable with something over my legs, you know, where you're just not focusing on the cellulite and the dents and all that stuff. So that's why I decided to wear a pair of pantyhose with them. Y'all gonna see it all come together. But right now, this is what we're doing, okay? Oh, and y'all look. I also popped the green on here. Y'all already know because y'all saw this video already. If you haven't watched, make sure you watch that vlog before this one. And if you haven't watched that vlog, stop this one, go watch that one, then come back and finish this one. But these are my nails that were done by Chloe. All right, y'all. I just ran into a problem because I'm trying to film for too many platforms. I just told y'all I can't move this setup here for the get ready with me. So I need to put, thank God I have 2 ring lights now. I need to put this one right here so that I can film the makeup portion of the get ready with me, but leave that right there so I can continue filming the TikTok portion of the get ready with me. Just too many platforms I'm trying to juggle here. Everything. I'm gonna show y'all the setup after I finish. Look, let me show y'all. So y'all already saw this one light right here. Don't mind any of that back there. I'm just showing you the light. I have that light for the background of the get ready with me, but I'm about to move it over here for the, I'm right here. I'm about to move it over here for the get ready with me for YouTube. So the light is back. Here we are. The quality. Oh my gosh. This is what I've been needing. This is what I've been wanting. Let me set y'all up. Oh, let me show you. Okay, y'all see that? This is my setup right here. I have both my lights, the ring light, and all of the makeup right here. And my phone will be right here. Hey vlog, that's the vlog. This is the get ready with me. I I don't have a tripod, or I don't know how to do it on here. This camera, it's a little bit different with the small screen. So I just got a notification, and when y'all leave comments on my YouTube videos, I do respond because I appreciate the feedback. Let me set up my camera, the alignment. And ladies, when you're doing your makeup, when you're starting, if you're not into makeup and you're just getting into makeup or whatever the case may be, do not spend a lot of money on brushes. You don't have to purchase expensive brushes. And I wish I knew that in the beginning, because baby, I was trying to buy every MAC brush that they had, not realizing I didn't need all of those. Most of my brushes are e.l.f. brushes, and I have a few Real Technique brushes. Order your brushes from Shein if they haven't done this tariff stuff. I don't know. Their brushes are very reasonable. Now I'm about to begin the intro of my Get Ready With Me. Hey GWURL, welcome back to my channel. If it is your first time here, I am Ursula. I am the lover of all things beauty. That is your hair, your makeup, and your fashion. With a beat face. All right, face is complete. Y'all, I don't know what it was about today, but this was a little challenging for me. For one, here it is. Let me grab y'all. What y'all think? How y'all like the makeup with the new look? Let me know in the comments. Let's get the outfit on. Hey vlog, I'm back. Okay, this is without the glasses. I really want to wear the shades because I'm into these tinted frames now. I just love a tinted frame. To me, it just elevates the look. Now, it might not be like that to you. Hold on, y'all, I'm having some. Might not be like that to you, but honey, to me, it elevates the look. So, check me out. Just disregard the background. I mean, all right, look. This is my shoes. This is the outfit. Let me know in the comments what you think. Oh, let me show you. Hold on. And my pop of green. I told y'all I'm a St. Patrick's Day baby. So since I didn't do the green or the white, and I went with a more classic black look, I'm popping the green with my bag. And leopard. I'll see y'all in a little bit when we get to the restaurant. Oh my goodness. Y'all look at this. I ain't never had this happen to me when I wear glasses with makeup. Now I cannot take these glasses off. I don't know. I don't know what happened. I don't know. This makeup application, I don't know. But I ain't never had this happen. So anyway, I'm en route to go pick up Miss Patrice. Yo, why did I just do this? Talking. To me, this is the long way going to her house. I don't know what I was thinking. Well, actually I wasn't, because I was talking. This is why you shouldn't vlog and drive. All right, y'all, I'm gonna talk to y'all in a minute.
I love
All right, y'all, I'm here with Miss Patrice.
Hi, y'all.
I asked her if she wanted to be on the vlog.
And I do.
And she said yes, so here we are. All right, let me see this thing. This is the only thing, though, with this little small. Okay, I love it.
So clear.
Yes. Quality. We just admiring the camera because I done told them all about my camera. And when I say quality,
You trying to take that one?
I sure. Baby, I'm about to vlog all this. Yeah. Look, y'all. We're downtown. Uh-oh, let me not do that because people will think you're trying to record them or whatever. Y'all see we're downtown.
I like that.
Yes, honey. Yes, we moving on up in the content game. Okay. Let's see. Look.
Shall I stop it?
Yeah.
Gums are getting wet. Do I take his hit?